Hello everyone, welcome to our first year experience 101. This video, I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the course and kind of walk through the module. So every time you log in for our course, this is the landing page, or as we call the home page. This is where you will come, and then you can go on the left and click on modules, and when we have to meet via Zoom, this is where you will click. So let's click on the modules, and each week is pretty much organized the same way. You will have an overview. You can always go there and just give a quick reading to see what we are going to do this week. So this is the tasks for your first week. So that gives you a quick idea of what you have to do. And then each week you will have discussions and then readings, for which you will have a quiz. And then this week, of course, we have two discussions. One is introducing yourself, and the other one is the college syllabus. And mindful moment reflections. These you can download the workbook, which is there. If you click on this, you will see this workbook. You can download it and save it on your computer, because each week you will have exercises based on this. So, and then of course here is a very useful assignment using Canvas. Even if you have used Canvas, you can get familiar with this by doing this. And then of course there's the technology backup plan, and click on this to get to know how for some reason it's not functioning, but it will be a link to virtual student support, so which will be useful again. So again, week 2 will follow the same kind of system. So one important thing, since it's an online class, you have to be an independent learner and kind of be accountable for time management. So just make sure you do that there, so you don't lag behind. You read the syllabus, so you understand the attendance policy. And attendance in online is your participation in discussion each week. You have to post your own discussion and then respond to 2 others. So that's what you're responsible for. And I use that as a tool for attendance. All the grades you will be able to see in the grade book, and everything else is here. So always reach out to me. If you have any questions, you can reach me by email. That's the best way to contact me, or you can leave a message or call me on my Google number, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So welcome once again. For some of you, it may be, coming back, so welcome back. And for some of you, this may be the first time that you're in CCP, so welcome. And I know we are starting the semester under strange circumstances due to the pandemic, but I hope to use Zoom to connect with all of you at some point or the other. So good luck, and email me with questions or concerns anytime.